Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. You want more traffic to your Etsy listing. We all want that. Every seller wants to do this. In today's small tutorial, we're gonna try and use tags, since tags help your product appear in search results. You're gonna ask me, what do you mean by tags? What do you mean by this? It's totally simple. It's like a small keywords that we all use on the search bar to access something. For example, you want to buy a Nike shirt, you're gonna tap on Etsy Nike shirt. For example, the keyword or the tag is Nike or the shirt itself. In today's small tutorial, as I told you, we're gonna go through how to actually add tags to Etsy listings in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, we're gonna go all the way and open our device. Make sure we are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go through the listings. To access that, we're gonna go to Etsy.com, open the website, log in using our email address and password, tap on this shop manager, then go all the way to listings. Tap on edit your listing, then scroll all the way to the tags section. You can enter up to like 13 tags, then tap on save. As for the best practice, you can use long tail keywords. You should also avoid repeating exact same words. Match tags to what buyers actually search for. For example, they may be searching about Nike shoes, basketball shoes, football shoes, if you are talking about shoes here. But maybe they are looking for shirts or whatsoever, so make sure you use a smart, basically good keywords. As for like a pro tip, use Etsy search suggestions to find high demand phrases. For example, we're gonna tap on this. Gifts as special as they are. This is what people are looking for. For example, if you are selling any of these, you can add them to your tags. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.